Your presence truly evaluates, and we are thrilled to share this special day with you. You all are an inspiration for us. To mark the beginning of this occasion, we will now light the ceremonial lamp. We are deeply honored to have our chief guest, Mrs. Sheetal Suhas Tingre here. May I kindly invite you to lead the lamp lighting ceremony. I would request all our guests to join for this special moment. Sir, please. Tradition that signifies the triumph of good over evil. And the light of knowledge over ignorance. The lamp lightning symbolizes the dispelling of darkness and the ushering in of knowledge, wisdom, and positivity. Lightning, the lamp, is a timeless tradition that signifies the triumph of good over evil. Sorry to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Zahid Khan and Mrs. Sheetal Tingre. Parents, please give a big round of applause, please. Now I would request Sir Parents, please keep on clapping, please. Now Mr. Zahid Khan. Managing Director and US-based businessman. Parents, please keep on clapping, please. And Commander Vijay Kumar. Mrs. Rana Noor. Krishna Yadav.
Good evening. Am I audible? Tingreji, the well-known and most popular social worker in our area, in our region. I think Sunil Tingreji was scheduled to come, but he has not been able to come. Commander Vijay Kumar, ex-Navy, ex-Indian Navy. Mr. Zahid Khan, the Managing Director, Trustee of Rana Foundation and renowned entrepreneur from the United States of America. My beloved friend and colleague Zuhaib, far away, I can see him there, Director of Rana Foundation, Mrs. Rashmi Ansari, the Principal and Director at Rana Foundation. We have with us the Chairman of Rana Foundation as well, and all parents, all teaching staff members, non-teaching staff members, and my beloved kids. So I welcome everyone to this annual day gathering and a prize distribution ceremony of Proxima International School. And it's a privilege to be here. It's been many years I have seen the Proxima International School growing. Zuhaib and Rashmi, I remember long back, maybe before COVID, they started this school in a very small, you can say, small place. Merely there were some 5, 7, 8, 10 students to start with. I think that's right. And from there, it's grown to what we see today. The school has taken its own land. It's a progressive school. They've been adding grades every year on year, and they have a plan to take up the school to up to grade 12. I don't think Rana Foundation will stop there. So after 12th, I really look forward this school to start their own senior college maybe, and in future you all start some professional courses such as engineering, architect, pharma, and I certainly wish everyone a good luck here. Well, I think most of you sitting here are extremely eager to see the student performances. सबको देखना है students अपने बच्चे कैसे perform करते हैं, कैसे dance करते हैं. So I'll not take much time. I have just 2 messages. I have a small message for the kids all around here. I can see, and I was asking Zuhaib, I think the kids are up to grade 5, right? Is that correct? Right, grade 5th or 6th, right? So I have a small message for the kids. I'm going to tell you a story, so kids be attentive, right? So there was a lush green, very dense forest, and in that forest there was a seed which was lying beneath the soil. मिट्टी के नीचे एक seed पड़ा हुआ होता है एक forest में, and that seed every day is hearing the big trees talking. वो जंगल में सब झाड़ एक दूसरे से बात करते रहते हैं और ये seed जो है छोटे सुनते रहता है. That how difficult it is to grow and become a tall tree and reach the sunlight. And this small seed beneath the soil keeps wondering every day, will I be able to grow and will I become a tall tree? Will I be able to reach the sunlight? Right? And there's a fear in its mind, there's a dilemma, it keeps thinking, what if I fail? What if I don't grow? So once a very senior and an aged tree is there, he looks at this particular seed and say, you don't have to grow and become a tall tree in one day. You have to take small steps, just keep trying. And that motivated that particular seed. So the seed keeps on pushing it every day. It keeps on trying to grow every day. One day it will break the soil, it will come up, there is a shoot that comes out, right? And then the seed starts, bit by bit, progressing every day. During rains, it rains very heavily, it pours very heavily. So the seed drinks deeply. During the wind, it bent but it didn't give up. And one day, eventually, it became a big tree, and it started giving shadow. It started giving fruits. It started giving shelter to all animals in that particular jungle, right? And all animals are excited. Then they go back to the tree and say, "Wow, you have grown to such a tall. You have become a very nice tree now, right?" So then the tree says, "Okay, well, I was also very small, said, but what I did is I never gave up." So for all the kids here, it's a simple short message from my end. Be persistent. Believe in yourself. Have that self-belief, right? And then you will be able to reach the vision that you are, looking for. In the same jungle, there is a school of animals. And in that school of animals, there are a lot of animals. Eagles are there, cheetahs are there, and you have fishes in the pond and all of that. So the headmaster comes one day and says, with your due permission, principal madam, the headmaster comes one day and says, well, let's put a test for everybody, right? So obviously the eagle came first in flying the rat race. Your kids are too small, they're in just grade 5, right? So identify what is their innate potential. Every kid here will have a strength and a weakness, and I want you to identify the strengths of your kids, right? Figure out what they're good at and enhance that particular skill. Normally आपल्याकडे फोकस असतो की जो वीकनेस आहे तो वीकनेस कसा आपण शार्पन करू. Don't focus on that. Focus on the strength. Play it to the strength, and that will make your son, your daughter, a tall big tree in this particular forest, right? So that's all from my end. I wish everyone a good luck. I wish Rana Foundation a good luck. Proxima International School a good luck, right? And I think we'll soon start the program. Thank you very much for having me here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words. Now I would like to call Mr. Zohaib Ansari to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Aleem Siddiqui, on the stage, please. Now I would like to request all our guests to take their seats so that we can start our program. Now I would request our director sir to escort our guests and help them to take their places, please. Parents, please give a very big round of applause to welcome our kids to show the first color of the rainbow.
शिशु है अज्ञानी माता, किन चरणों का प्यार दे। वीणा पाणी तार दे, तार दे, तार दे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे, माँ सरस्वती शारदे।
Indeed, it was a very wonderful startup of the program. To worry about the child, as we had made all the arrangements. The kids will be handed over to you after the function is over, near the stage itself. Do not worry about the photography also, which is done by the professional photographers, and the pictures and the videos will be made available to all the parents. Now moving ahead with the prize distribution ceremony. And now the moment we have been waiting for the prize distribution ceremony is, we will recognize and honor the outstanding achievements of our students who have excelled in various fields, including their academics, sports, extracurricular activities. Now I would like to call Mr. Zohaib Ansari to take our chief guest, Mrs. Sheetal Tingre, and director, Sir, Mr. Zohaib Ansari, to kindly join us on the stage to present the award. Shira Sayyed from nursery. And the first position is secured by Mohammad Ali Sheikh from LKG. These were from the pre-primary section. Now group 2, that is from this.
टोपी निकालो उसका, टोपी निकालो, निकाल दो बैग से। यहाँ पे
Second position is secured by Pundrika Sharma from Standard 2. Parents, clap for the children. They have taken very efforts. And the first winner is Vaishnavi Zada from Standard 2. Now from group 3. The third position is secured by Aradhya Verma. Second position is secured by Ahmad Sheikh from Standard 3. And the first position is secured by Ayush Dadikar from Standard 4. Give a huge round of applause for all the winners. Moving to our next slot is drawing competition from group 1. The third position is secured by Ukba Sheikh from UKG. The second position is secured by Arohi Sakai from UKG. And the first position is secured by Riddhi Upadhyay from LKG. Give a big round of applause, please. There is no noise only.
Trophy नीचे लेंगे.
The second position is secured by Vaishnavi Zadhav from Standard 2.
Trophy थोड़ा.
And the first position is secured by Janvi Boy from Standard 2. Moving ahead with the group 3, the third position is secured by Kavya Kanaskar from Standard 5.
काव्या थोडी हा इकडे. काव्या समोर. Thank you.
Second and the first position again goes to Aradhya Verma from Standard 5. Thank you, sir.
उसका टोपी निकालो.
Second position is secured by Ibad Sheikh from Standard 3.
थोड़ा ट्रॉफी साइड में आवाज.
Ayash Raute from UKG, the first position. Now, give a big round of applause, please. And the first position is secured by Samaila Raghav from Standard 1. Keep on clapping, please.
समया. यहाँ पे समया.
Was my colleague in the Navy, and I left Navy 26 years ago. The fact that he has called me to be part of this school function shows the relationship that we build in our life. They go a long way. So as parents, it is your responsibility to ensure that your children not only do good in studies with the help of the school, but also you build a character in them that they become good human beings also, in addition to having good hard skills, technical skills, financial skills, whatever skills are required for our jobs and for earning a livelihood. At the same time, ensuring that they become good citizens, good human beings. That is also of utmost importance, because if I am here today because of the relationship which was built with his father when he was in the Navy, and that is the richness that we can get in our life, and that is going to pay for us throughout our life. So teach your children to cooperate and not compete. Do teamwork along with the studies. If somebody is not good in studies, let your child help that child, so that we build an environment where helping each other in studies or other things is of utmost importance. School will do its best, teach the academic skills. At the same time, it is your responsibility not to criticize your child if the child gets 1 mark less than expected, because the marks will not count that much in life as much as the value system. Like a tree, which Dr. Harshad was talking about, the tree grows big because it is rooted properly. In human beings, the root is the value system, and that school and the parents have to put their efforts together. So I wish very best to the school and its children, and these children are in very good hands, as I can see, and therefore wishing you all the best in your future for the school as well as the children, and request all the teachers and the principal also to help them inculcate all these values, which they must be doing, but I'm just reminding as an old man. Thank you so much.
Papa, I am trying to complete my social studies homework, but I am not able to understand about Stone Age. Oh son, let me take you somewhere. Where are we going, Papa? Well, it is going to be a surprise for you. Okay, Papa, I love surprises. Oh no! Dr. Harvey, are you still here in the lab? Look, it's midnight. It's time to get some rest. Let's keep it for tomorrow. No, Doctor. You know that this is my dream project. Look, it's on the verge of completion, and I'm just waiting for the final pieces to come together. Dr. Harvey, let me ask you a question. Do you really believe that with this time machine, we could teleport ourselves to the past? Of course, dear. If this project happens, then we can break the time barrier and can travel through time. See how eagerly I'm waiting to get back to my good old glory days. Okay, let's see what happens. हर जीनियस को लोग पागल ही समझते हैं.
The scientist, please.
हम सर पिरे बिगड़े हुए नवाब हैं, पढ़ लो हमें, हम तो खुली किताब है, हड्डी भी हम है और हम ही कबाब है. हम पागल नहीं है भैया, हमारा दिमाग खराब है. हम पागल नहीं है भैया, हमारा दिमाग खराब है. हमें देख के उठता यही सवाल है, काला है दाल में या काली दाल है, होटे सभी सिक्कों की ये टकसाल है. हम पागल नहीं है भैया, हमारा दिमाग खराब है. हम पागल नहीं है भैया, हमारा दिमाग खराब है. झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक. हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख. यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक.
It's working. I think now it's time to start the journey to see the past. Do you want to join me? It is complicated, but it will be worth it. Come, if you're interested. All right, I'm in. Okay. On the count of 3, just push the red button on remote and then close your eyes and wait.
3, 2, 1, go.
Where are we? Oh my god, Papa, it's magic.
The land where civilization forgot. Welcome to the jungle.
It is 6000 BC. That means we are in Stone Age. I think we got a really good chance to reconnect with nature. That's true, but I'm a bit scared of. I heard that the Stone Age people are good hunters. That's right. Look, some of the hunters are coming this way. Let's hide somewhere. Wow! They are going to celebrate a successful hunt. Let's watch.
The Stone Age was a fascinating period when early humans lived in the stone. It was an era of remarkable. Let's travel together hard work and talent. Welcome to jungle.
Is my oyster. The world 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 is my oyster. Welcome to the jungle. 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 Jungle.
Mr. Hardy,
Very nice
we should
performance.
save ourselves now, Papa.
Humans lived in caves, hunted for food, and learned to harness fire. Through today's performance, our young ones have brought us to the ancient world alive, showcasing how humans evolved, bonded with nature, and set the stage for civilization of human life and prosperity.
Get the radio so we can go back to our lab.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Mr. Subramaniam, where we have reached.
Oh, Mr. Hardy, I think we have pressed the wrong button in our remote. And now I believe that we are in ancient era. Son, do you know, this was the happiest time of human being. There were no mobile phones, no TV, no internet, no social media. People used to sit together. Oh, Papa, I feel so pity on them. See, he is sowing in his fields. Can you look at him? How happy he is? And he will be more happy when his crops will grow properly.
खुशियों के कमल मुस्कुराते हैं, खुशियों के कमल मुस्कुराते हैं। सुन के रहट की आवाज़ें, सुन के रहट की आवाज़ें, क्यों लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे, लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे। आते ही मस्त बहारों के दुल्हन की तरह हर खेत सजे, दुल्हन की तरह हर खेत सजे। मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरे देश की धरती।
Keep on clapping, please. It was wonderful performance.
मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती। मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।
धूप है, छाँव है, जलते तेरे पाँव हैं, धारा के विपरीत सदा बहती तेरी नाव है। जिसने ये दुनिया बनाई उसको कहते भगवान है। जिसने हमको अन्न दिया वो भारत का किसान है।
Papa, what is this girl doing? She is winning the grains to separate from the chaff. And what is that lady doing there? Oh, let's go and ask her only. Let's go and check what that lady is doing. अरे बहन जी, आज खाने में क्या पका रही है?
खाने में तो आज मैं खिचड़ी पका रही हूँ। पर आप कौन?
अरे बहन जी, हम बहुत दूर से आए हैं। क्या हमें भी थोड़ी सी खिचड़ी खाने को मिलेगी?
अरे हाँ, क्यों नहीं, क्यों नहीं। बस थोड़ा समय दीजिए मुझे, अभी मैं आपको खिचड़ी परोस देती हूँ। ये बताइए कि घी डालकर खाएंगे या बिना घी के? अरे घी मिल जाता तो क्या बात थी, मजा ही आ जाएगा आज तो। ठीक है, आप लोग हाथ मुंह धो लीजिए, मैं आपके लिए खिचड़ी परोस देती हूँ।
पापा, ये तो बहुत टेस्टी है, उससे भी ज्यादा जो मम्मी घर पे बनाती है।
हाँ बेटा, स्वाद तो होगा ही, क्योंकि हमारे खेत की ही फसल है ना।
माँ, बाबूजी, कहाँ हैं आप लोग? देखिए, मैं आ गया। अरे माँ, ये लोग कौन हैं?
अरे बेटा, ये कहीं बहुत दूर से आए हैं हमारे गांव।
अरे बेटा, इधर आओ। क्या नाम है तुम्हारा और तुम क्या करते हो? देख के तो लगता है कुछ पढ़ाई करते हो।
चाचा जी, मैं शहर में एग्रीकल्चर की पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा बेटा, तो तुमने क्या सीखा?
सीखा तो बहुत कुछ है, पर कुछ ऐसी चीजें सीखने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ जिससे माँ बाबूजी की खेती में कुछ मदद कर सकूं।
क्या तुम इससे भी ज्यादा बेहतर और हाईटेक टेक्नोलॉजी देखना चाहोगे?
क्यों नहीं, मगर कैसे?
हम आपको अपने जमाने में ले चलेंगे जहां पर इस वक्त से ज्यादा बेहतर टेक्नोलॉजीज का इस्तेमाल होता है।
वो कौन सा जमाना है चाचा जी?
अगर चलना चाहते हो तो बताओ।
जरूर, क्यों नहीं।
तो चलो फिर हमारे साथ। मिस्टर हारी, we should take this child to our generation.
Yes, Mr. Subramaniam, why not?
On the count of 3, just push the red button on remote and then close your eyes and wait.
3, 2, 1, go.
have seen robots only in my books, but here I can see robots dancing in the lab. What are you doing, son? Papa, I am trying to complete my social studies homework, but I am not able to understand.
सन 2124 22वीं सदी में आपका स्वागत है। एआई की दुनिया, जहां अब रोबोट्स पर विश्वास करने लगे हैं।
It was very nice performance. Now moving ahead with our second slot of prize distribution. Now I would request to call on stage Mrs. Rana by Muhammad Ali Sheikh from LKG. From Group 2, the third position is secured by Khuzaima Sheikh from Standard 1. The second position is secured by Sarthak Joshi, again from Standard 1. keep on clapping please for all our little kids. And the first position is secured by Pundrika Sharma from Standard 2. Give a huge round of applause please. Now from group 3, the third position is secured by Khatta Bunyan from Standard 4. The second position is secured by Ranvijay Singh from Standard 3. And the first position is secured by Rita Fatima from Standard 3. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would request Mrs. Fariha Momin to please come on the stage, please, to give away the prizes. The second position is secured by Shaurya Singh from Nursery. And the first position is secured by Kian Maniar from UKG. Give a huge round of applause for all these little kids, please. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request Mr. Zaid Khan to please come. The second position is secured by Pari Prajapati from Standard 2. And the first position is secured by Khuzama Sheikh from Standard 1. Parents, keep clapping please. From group 2, the third position is secured by Ritik Rajput from Standard 5. The second position is secured by Kunal Prajapati from Standard 4. And the first position is secured by Anandi Borede from Standard 4. Give a huge round of applause please for all the winners. Now I would request Mr. Zaid Khan sir to please say a few words.
First of all, good evening everyone. Thank you all for being here. It's a true honor and a privilege to stand before you guys to give this speech. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest who is still trying to take out time from his busy schedule. Who is Ingreji, he's on his way, and Sheetal ma'am for her all the social work she's doing. I definitely feel very honored that their gracious presence in this event is making this event a very, very nice and successful place. I also want to give a special thank to Commander Vijay Kumar sir. We have a special bond, and the reason for that bond is not just friendship. He has been educating the Indian Navy cadets for 35 years, and he has produced laurels to Navy. He has produced many projects which are worth millions, and has brought up that. So that's the reason why we want him to be present in the board to give us guidance of our future. I also want to thank Zohaib and Rashmi ji, because their unwavering commitment to this school has brought the school to this place. Without their hard work, it would have been not possible for me to stand here and give this speech. Not only the directors, which is Zohaib and Rashmi, I want to really thank the whole staff of Proxima International, especially all the teachers, the working staff, the non-working staff, for dedicating their endless hours to make this school for what we are here. I also want to thank all the parents here, parents, kids, to give us an opportunity to teach their kids and bring them to this school. Because without that, without your support, without your confidence on the Proxima, we would not stand here. So I really want to thank the parents to trust us that we are able to nurture their kids and bring them to a point where we are right now. So apart from this, I also want to thank my wife, Faria Khan, and the family to be able to support and allowing me to come all the way from US. If she does not allow, I won't be here. So with that, I want them, all of you, I want to give a big round of applause for all these people, those who have been contributing and because of which we are here. So thank you so much for that. So coming to the speech part, I think we are just following the same pattern which everyone is giving their speech. So I have a small story to share with you and tell you what this story tells about. This story is a very inspiring, nice story which tells the fundamentals of education. A very good fundamental, and it also resonates with what Mr. Gandhiji told, that एक आदर्श घर के बराबरी कोई स्कूल नहीं कर सकता. So try to understand what this story is, and then at the end you will be very surprised that how it can make a small act of parents, small act of kids can make a very big impact on child's life. So there was a boy in the village, a small boy, and he wanted to study, but there were no means, because it was a very old village or ancient time, I can say. So the schools were not there, and the boy lived in a very small village. So what he did is he found out that far, like 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers, there is a school which he can go and try to learn his basic education. So he started going for a long time by walk, without the slippers, without the proper clothing, in the cold. But he did not give up. So seeing that, the grandfather of the child, he said, like, let's go a little more towards the city side. And then they moved a little towards the city, and then he got into some better education where the where the single teacher was teaching all the subject, but there was a teacher there. Now what happened to the father of the boy? Pay attention to this part of the story, that the father of that boy was a completely uneducated man. He did not know anything about education. He was just a parent all times. But what he used to do, he used to check his books for red marks. If there is anything written in red, he would ask him what this is. If he understands what child is saying, he is good. But if he does not understand what child is doing, he will immediately go to school and talk to the teacher. So with this act, what happened? The child got in his mind that if I get a red mark in my book, there's a problem. And he started paying attention to the fact that there should be no red marks in my book. And that was just a fear of his father, that there should be no red marks, and that consistency of not getting a red mark in the book. An uneducated father brought the child to a state where this boy was selected into Navy, and then he produced two boys which are very well settled in US right now. And this story is for my father's story. The boy I was talking is my father, and I am one of his sons. So why I told this story is that Gandhi's statement that एक आदर्श घर के बराबर कोई स्कूल नहीं कर सकता. So kids and parents are the root thing in the child's life to make them or break them. It's very, very important that small acts of parents, they really make the child. And that in this case it was just his checking the book every day, making sure that he is just not getting a red mark. Could be like 100 different ways to make this happen, and you can bring up your child in such a way. So with this, I think I want to also give one message to the kids, or those who are here. They are very, very tiny tots. We saw them. They are like very, very pure souls right now. I just want to tell them that always value honesty. Always value honesty and respect every child who is next to you for the way he is, for the differences you have, for the commonality you have. Make sure you respect them, because every child is unique, every child is talented, and every child has potential. It just takes time to see through either teachers or the parents or the child themselves. And to parents, I want to say one thing on the same regard, that never compare your child with another child. I can guarantee you that I never came first in the school. I was never the guy who got the highest marks. But my parents always tell me, we believe in you and you're going to do something great. We know that, irrespective of what you do. So I want to say that even if your child is coming first in the class, if you think that you're doing very good, imagine how many schools are here. Maybe 50, 100, 1,000. So your child, even though his first, is one of those thousands only in this small area. How about the nation? How about the world? He is one in a billions maybe. So don't think that first, second, third, fourth will matter much. Give them a very nice nurturing environment. Just let them be growing like flowers. Nurture them, give them the environment, and let them grow. Don't try to emphasize at this age on a child that I want to become this, you want to become this. Mostly what parents do, they want to fulfill their own desires on the kids. They could not become doctors, they could not become engineers. They want their kids to become that. I would highly, highly, highly request you to not do that. If they have to become, they will become. When the time comes, definitely they'll become. But don't enforce. So I think that's enough for the parent and the child. I just want to see I want to explain like what vision I have and why I am with the Proxima. When we were kids, even though our parents gave us a very good environment to study and all, but we were still not vocabulary wise very good in at English, and we used to always have troubling problems, having some issues to express ourselves. And I've seen, like, in the past days, not now of course, is that kids are very good, smart, intelligent, but they cannot express themselves because they are not very good at language or the environment in which they are being raised. So my idea to bring to Proxima is an international exposure. That's the reason why I joined Proxima. And by that, what I mean is, we want to build kids, those who are ready for the world, not just Dhanuri or not just India. In that matter, we are making some efforts to opening in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, and in US. And I want to see some cultural exchange happening between the students, those who can give them confidence from the very early stage. I'm not talking about the senior colleges right now. I'm talking about maybe 5th, 6th to 10th grade, to give them some exposure internationally and to show them how the world is, so that they are very confident in their ability. So with that, I think I would like to conclude this speech. If you have any questions on whatever I said, you are more than welcome to see me personally or through Rashmi ji, and let's resolve those questions. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to address you guys.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to conclude what Mr. Zahid sir has said just right now. He tried to say that the Proxima is not going to be concluded only here in Dhanuri or in Pune. We people are included, and we people are going to be this part soon globally, where we are just reaching out the things, and the Proxima you will be seeing somewhere else out of India also. So soon we are going to start with the things, and soon the projects are starting, and we people are still have started working on that, and still more we have to work out. School report is always, if you see, is a report card. It's a progress card of a school, where every principal tries to give lots and lots about the school, that what we have done, how many competitions, how many celebrations, how many children, how many admissions, like many more things. But I can see that so many parents are sitting over here, and the whole crowd I can see in the ground, and I can assume by this itself that how Proxima is doing. So there is just a small school report where you will be just finding the parents, those who are new, and the parents, those who are attending an annual function for the first year, would be helpful for them to understand that what exactly is Proxima. So looking at to our report, Proxima is started in July 2017. We have started this particular school in July 2017, and the name was kept by us, saying it is going to be a many Proximas over here, and it will become a group of stars. Which means the vision is to impart quality education in Dhanuri and other places of Pune, out of Pune, and not now only in Pune, but we are trying to expand our projects in Dubai and US too. The motto of our Proxima, which always says, if you had seen our main gate also, it's always written over there, that Proxima where excellence meets opportunity. There are few values which we always get inculcated in our children, are the one where the integrity is the part, where we want our children to have integrity in them, few responsibilities, courage, respect and compassion. This is nothing related to academics, this is nothing related to sports, but it is something which makes you a responsible citizen in your future. There is a learning pattern which Proxima always follow, and in our coming years also we are going to make it more advanced, and this is something which is known as the learning pattern of Proxima, where the child learning center system is to be achieved by with the kinesthetic, read and write in audio-visual mode. We people are having a multi-purpose hall where we are just taking our children for the digital classes. This is achieved by which is known as three-way learning. Three-way learning is nothing but the same part which is known as traditional learning, digital learning and activity-based learning. And this is accomplished again by a 360 degree of assessment where we take our child holistically developed. The child should not be only academically good, as I said, or the only in the sports, but yes, your child should know how to sit, how to stand, how to talk and how to walk. This goes as an holistically developed child which Proxima tries to give you at the end of the year. There is a recognition award this year. Proxima has recorded the name of Proxima International School in the list, where the Proxima has been awarded as the most recognized international school for promoting world-class education. This award was given in Delhi and it was received by Ms. Sarita Saha and Pragya Sharma on behalf of Proxima International School. Every year we people try to get our children set for a few Olympiad exams. This is always nationally, where the whole, all the schools in India take part, that are the different type of Olympiad exams. So many of our children, and this year again, there were many participants, almost 120 children has taken part all together in Maths Olympiad, English Olympiad and Science Olympiad. If we go a little more further, there are inter-school sports and karate competitions happen always, and our children goes for that too. So here are few children, those who have just secured that position, that is Janvi Kaur and Aryan Chaudhary, those who have played inter-school karate competition which was held over here in Pune in E-Techno School Karate, and they have secured first position over there. Every time in the school academic session, we people try to celebrate few celebrations, few programs or few events where the children are encouraging to understand their culture, understanding how the things has to happen and in which society we people are. So for that, the celebration which we have celebrated till date are World Environment Day, Writing in Sand to promote the fine motor skills in preschoolers, Father's Day, Palki celebration, Guru Purnima, Janmashtami, Grandparents' Day, tree plantation to know about the greenery and the importance of the plants and trees, Indian Navy Day, Constitution Day, Children's Day and Diwali celebration, and still the 2 months are pending and more celebrations and more competitions has to come up. Few competitions which we have conducted were fancy dress competition, drawing competition, storytelling competition, Hindi poem recitation competition and English calligraphy competition. These are just a few lists. There are much more and many more programs and the celebrations and competitions which we have conducted. But without taking your much time, because are still few children, half of the school is waiting for the few programs to be conducted in front of you. I would say thank you all the parents, those who are sitting here and those who have believed in Proxima and those who are there with us from past many years. And we are welcoming more and more new parents to join us, Proxima team, for the next academic year. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now moving ahead, today our children will show us how technology is not just about machines and gadgets, it's about how we use them, how they help people solve problems and to improve their lives. Let's appreciate their enthusiasm and they take us into an exciting world of innovation. Today, our young performers will share us how AI is transforming the world and making a positive impact on lives. Let's celebrate their efforts as they take us into an
This time on Vijayadashmi, I should ask Ma Durga for 10 hands. So I can do multiple tasks at a time. So much work is not possible with these 2 hands. I wish I also had someone who can do all my work in seconds.
कभी ये करो कभी वो करो इसका कंज्यूमर्स इसका अपडेट क्या करो सर प्लीज पासबुक अपडेट कर
Work, work, work. Oh my god, all the time work. Even I have no time to drink one sip of water. Also, I have done so much work, still so much work is pending. What should I do? I am thinking that this time on Vijayadashmi, I should ask Ma Durga for 10 hands. So I can do multiple tasks at a time. So much work is not possible with these 2 hands. I wish I also had someone who can do all my work in seconds.
कभी ये करो कभी वो करो इसका कंज्यूमर्स इसका अपडेट क्या करो सर प्लीज पासबुक अपडेट कर दीजिए सर क्या है नेक्स्ट काउंटर में जाओ सर सुबह से लाइन में खड़ा हूँ सर तुम्हें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है मैं सुबह से एक काम पे काम किया जा रहा सुबह से एक कप चाय तक नहीं पिया इनको काम ही नहीं खत्म हो रहा है काश कोई होता तो मेरे काम ही आसान कर देता मेरे काम को चुटकियों में कर देता
Hello. Good morning, sir. Listen, Lucy, cancel all my meetings for today. Today, Mr. Ramalingam is coming to meet me.
Okay, sir. I will cancel all the meetings.
I will not let my hard work of so many years go to waste and make sure that this meeting should be perfect.
Okay, sir. Oh, this old man has no work. Cancel my this meeting, cancel my that meeting. He have spent all the money to make her. Nothing's happened. Let it be. Leave it. I am leaving now. I will finish all my work before sirs come back. वैसे भी boss is always right.
Good morning, Mr. Ramalingam. How are you?
Good morning, I'm fine, thank you.
You arrived before time. You want to see my new creation? Come, I will show you. She is none another, my new creation, Ali, my AI. She is alone equal to 100 human beings. Her speed is 1 terahertz and memory is 1 zettabyte. It has the power of 100 people and all the programs are fixed in it. She knows all the art forms and many languages. Would you like to see it?
Yes, why not?
Ali, speak Hyderabadi.
कैसे हो मियाँ बिरयानी होना तो हैदराबादी होना
Next, Bhojpuri.
कैसन बा ठीक बानू
Wali Julashal Global Language, French.
कमन सावा
Oh wow, but what about emotional portion and critical thinking?
सही पकड़े हैं सरकार.
Emotions have been fed in it as per the lead. Gentlemen, IQ is fed up a dead leader. I will show you. Ali cry. Ali laugh. Ali, show your anger.
Don't angry me.
Ali, dance. She completes 24 hours work in 1 hour. In IT sector, manufacturing sector and in educational sector, she can replace more than 100 human beings at a time. She can scan anyone, anytime. You want to see it?
Yes, why not? Sure.
Ali, scan me.
You are Mr. Murugan. You are a scientist by profession and you are suffering from delusion of grandeur.
Stop.
Wow, amazing.
Then, what are you thinking, Mr. Ramalingam?
I'm not sure. Let me think.
You are running out of time, Mr. Ramalingam.
Okay, let's try.
Then, deal final?
Yes.
Then, Mr. Ramalingam, best of luck.
पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, sir.
Doctor, she is Ali, our new AI assistant. She will help you in all your work. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Help you? There is a lot of work to do. You look so beautiful. कौन सा गाना है वो?
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
पर मेरे जैसे वाव नहीं है. Whatever work will be there, I get all the work done by AI. You know all the work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here is the medicine chart. Here is the medication. Go and give it to the patients. It seems God has taken my words too seriously. Ali is doing all my work. What should I do? Let's do some online shopping.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, sir.
With great regret, I have to tell you that our hospital has become digitalized. Now we are introducing AI in our hospitals. Now we don't need so much manpower. You all are being fired.
Sir, please don't do this. We have been working here for more than 10 years. If I have made any mistake in these 10 years, then please forgive me, sir.
Doctor, please try to understand me. I am also an employee here. It is possible that tomorrow I may also replaced by AI.
But sir, if I leave the job, I will become financially very weak. How will I pay my house rent? How will I pay my vehicle's EMI? How will I pay my younger sister's school fees? How will everything be managed? Sir, please, sir, don't throw us out.
Doctor, do you even know what is the difference between you and AI?
What do you have that we don't have?
We can save as much as data that you cannot. My memory is 1 terabyte. I am 24/7 available. I never get tired. I never take leaves. And moreover, I never take maternity leave or paternity leave.
Now you understand, Doctor? What is the difference between you and AI? Oh God, you have created us. So we must have something special which this AI puppet does not have. Oh God, please help us. Please help us.
जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के। जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख। कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है। कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है। अभी आगाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है। कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी भींचना है। भले हालात हो कैसे भी, बस ये सोच ले तू, यही है जिद, यही है रात, बस अब जीतना है। लिखूंगा खुद नई तकदीर अपने हाथ से मैं, रगों में खून के संग इस जुनून को खोल के रख। कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख। कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख। लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती।
अभी तो जंग है जारी, अभी हारा नहीं है तू। जो सहले तंज सारे, ऐसा बेचारा नहीं है तू।
अभी तो जंग है जारी, अभी हारा नहीं तू। जो सहले तंज सारे, ऐसा बेचारा नहीं तू। भरोसा रख खुदा पे और अपने हौसलों पे, तुझे तो चांद बनना है, कोई तारा नहीं तू। करेंगे वो जो करना है, जो चाहेंगे वो होगा। ये अब तू ठान ले, तकदीर से भी बोल के रख। कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख। कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख। जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख।
Work, work, work.
Give a big round of applause, please.
क्या बड़ा हॉस्पिटल है, कोई है?
Hello ma'am, I am Ellie, your AI. How may I help you?
है? मैंने तो सुना था हॉस्पिटल में मशीन वाली नर्स आ गई है। ये तो पूरी की पूरी इंसान दिख रही है। अंग्रेजी बोल लेती हो?
Yes ma'am.
है? मुझे भी अंग्रेजी आती है, पर थोड़ी थोड़ी। हो? तकलीफ पूछो, तकलीफ। कुर्सी कहाँ है? मेरा ब्रेड लाने दो। है एक मेरी बहू मुझे खुद देखना ही नहीं चाहती है। बहुत दुख है।
Information not found.
है
Not found.
क्या बोल रही है? छोड़, बड़ा प्यास लग रहा है, पानी ला दे बेटा। बहुत प्यास लगा।
Server error. Server error. Server error. Server
अरे पानी तो दे। मैं खुद पी लेती हूँ।
I am a
अब से बक रही है। एक मेरी बहू वहाँ मुझे जीने नहीं देती है और एक ये पीने नहीं देती है। बहुत तकलीफ है, बहुत दुखी हूँ मैं। फिर बक रही है। अरे एक काम कर, तो मेरा गला ही दबा दे।
Command mode activated. Command mode activated. Command mode activated. Command mode activated. Command mode activated.
कोई है बचाओ, कोई है बचाओ। मार दी रही है, कभी दबा दी।
In progress.
Down, server, down. Ali, stop! Ali, stop! Server. Now Ali become dangerous. What should I do? Server. I will call Mr. Ramlingam. Down, server, down. Sir, some error is coming in Ali.
सिस्टर मेरे बच्चे को बचाओ, मेरा बच्चा बहुत
Work in progress. Work in progress. Work in progress. Command mode activated. 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 Command mode activated.
कोई आएगा मेरे बच्चे को बचाएगा। मेरा बच्चा बहुत बीमार है। कैसी ये दुनिया है? आज मैसेज दे के दे, नोटिस दे के दे। कौन तो मेरे बच्चे को बचाओ।
What happened? Don't cry, don't cry. Show me what happened to your child. Your child is safe now. I have given him medicines. Now he will be fine. Don't worry.
आप नहीं होते तो मेरे बच्चे को क्या? ये हम लोग का काम है जो मैं कर रही हूँ। अब मत रोइए। मैं आपका एहसान कभी नहीं भूलूंगी सिस्टर। थैंक यू सिस्टर। मत रोइए, उठिए। We are proud of you sisters. हमने इन्वेंट किया AI को ह्यूमन के ईज के लिए, ना कि उसे पूरी तरह रिप्लेस करने के लिए। अब से यहाँ पे AI सिस्टम भी चलेगा, पर विद ह्यूमंस। गला दबा के ही जान लेगी ये। अरे मैं तो इलाज कराने आई थी। तेरे से भले थी मेरी बहू है। बहू कहाँ है तू? अरे कोई
We have
है?
invented AI for our convenience, not to replace complete human. Now AI will also work, but with
सच है सही क्या जो ये भरम है, तो कर तू वही जो तेरा करम है। हाथों से तू बदल दे अपनी लकीरें, हाथों से तू बदल दे अपनी लकीरें। सच है जो संग तेरे तो डर से अब बढ़ जा। तो यारा हो तैयार ये जग है रण तेरा। तो यारा हो तैयार ये जग है रण तेरा। तो यारा हो तैयार ये जग है रण तेरा। तो यारा हो तैयार ये जग है रण तेरा। तो यारा हो तैयार ये जग है रण तेरा। तुझ पे आए तो कर जाए पर्वत पार तू। ये संसार। तो यारा हो तैयार ये जग है रण तेरा। तो यारा हो तैयार ये जग है रण तेरा। तो यारा हो तैयार ये जग है रण तेरा। तो यारा हो तैयार ये जग है रण तेरा। तपती है धरती जलता है अंबर, पास तेरे ना कोई समंदर। आग पे चल के तप के पिघल के अपने इरादे तू आजमा। जिद पे आए तो कर जाए पर्वत पार तू। जिद पे आए तो कर जाए पर्वत पार। तू जो ठाने तो माने तो हक में होंगे तेरे ये सृष्टि ये संसार। तो यारा हो तैयार जग है रण तेरा।
Very nice performance.
करने की, और वही होता है, आप सबको पता है, सारे पेरेंट्स को जो सब मुझे जानते हैं, सालों से देख रहे हैं कि मैं लास्ट में आता हूँ और जो मुझे स्पीच देना नहीं आता है, मैं हर बार यही सेम लाइन कहता हूँ कि मुझे स्पीच देना नहीं आता है, बट मैं आप सबका थैंक्स बोलने के लिए आता हूँ कि मैं जब भी बुलाता हूँ आप सब ज़रूर आते हैं, तो उसके लिए आप सबका बहुत बहुत जो शुक्रिया। और स्पेशली हर्षद सर का, जो विजय कुमार अंकल का, जाहिद सर का जो बहुत दूर से आए हैं। जाहिद सर हमारे पास जो न्यूयॉर्क से आए हैं। देन अपना जो विजय कुमार अंकल, ये जो मैंगलोर से आए हैं। हर्षद सर जो पुणे से आए हैं, बट फिर भी ही केम अ लॉन्ग वे। तो और उसके बाद सभी गेस्ट, अलीम भाई हमारे, या फिर जो जिनका मैं नाम नहीं ले पा रहा हूँ, और मेरे सारे पेरेंट्स, तो मैं आप सबको थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा। और फिर वही बातें कि प्रॉक्सिमा को हमने स्टार्ट किया था 8 इयर्स पहले, तो जब ये नाम रखा गया था तो एक्चुअली ये बात जब रिफ़्रेश हो गई, ये बात मुझे जब जाहिद सर ने जब रिफ़्रेश करा दी, तो जो मैं आपके सामने शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ कि प्रॉक्सिमा का मतलब क्या है। तो प्रॉक्सिमा इज़ नथिंग बट अ नियरेस्ट स्टार टू द सन, यानी रोशनी के सबसे करीब, एक ऐसा तारा जो रोशनी के सबसे करीब है। तो ये सोचकर ये नाम रखा गया था। और वो रोशनी क्या है? वो रोशनी है एजुकेशन की रोशनी, ज्ञान की रोशनी। तो हम ज़रूर से अपने स्कूल को वो सारी रोशनी देंगे और इसे बहुत बड़ा बनाएंगे, बहुत आगे लेकर के जाएंगे। और आप सब ने हमारे ऊपर जो बिलीव किया ये 6-7 सालों में, सारे पेरेंट्स जो हमारे पास बहुत टाइम से हैं, कोई 2 साल से है, कोई 3 साल से है, और बहुत सारे लोग अभी आने वाले हैं। तो जस्ट अब मैं सबका थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा कि आप सब आए, और मेरे बुलाने पर आप सब हर साल आते हो, नेक्स्ट ईयर भी आइए। और नाउ हैंडिंग ओवर द माइक टू पद्मजा। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I would request Madhvi ma'am to please come on stage to give vote of thanks.
Good evening to everyone present here. It is my privilege and honor to deliver the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion for our annual day celebration. I, Madhvi Nanagiri, would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our honorable chief guest, Mr. Sunil Tingre, ex-MLA, Mrs. Sheetal Suhas Tingre, social worker, Mr. Zaid Khan, US-based businessman, and all the esteemed guests present here, for taking time out for their busy schedule to grace this occasion. Your presence added value to our event. Thank you for your presence and support. I also express my sincere thanks to our esteemed principal ma'am, Rashmi, and President and founder of Proxima International School, Mr. Zohaib Ansari, for their continuous guidance, encouragement, and visionary leadership that has been driving force behind all our achievements. A special thanks to all the teachers and staff members who have worked tirelessly to make this event a great success. Your dedication and hard work behind the scenes deserve immense appreciation. To our very talented students, thank you for showcasing such amazing performance today. Your energy and passion have truly made this event vibrant and unforgettable. I extend my gratitude to the parents and guardians who are here with us today. Your constant support and encouragement for your child, for our institute support and encouragement for your child, and for our institute means the world to us. Lastly, I would like to thank everyone, including volunteers and technical team, who have contributed in many ways to make this event successful. Your efforts are deeply appreciated. As we conclude, let us take the spirit of today forward and continue work together as family for a brighter and more successful future. Thank you all once again for being a part of this celebration. Now I would request everyone, please stand up for the national anthem.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you everyone for joining us on the great evening. I would request the class teachers to get their children on the stage class wise. Parents, please be seated.